Dear friends, it is urgent need of the hour to discuss and examine the very important problem and challenge that Indian economy has been facing at this moment, and that is Corona pandemic. All of us know it is a global problem which has been experienced by all the countries, more than 200 countries. This problem has been experienced. But the problem of Corona pandemic in India and in other countries, when we try to make a comparison, a little bit and more significant distinction is found in the Corona pandemic in India and in the countries, especially developed countries from globe. Talking about the Corona pandemic, first of all, it emerged out in Wuhan in China. After certain measures and policies, it is in control. And recently, all economic activities, routine activities has been started, so far as China is concerned. Corona infection spread across the countries, developed as well as developing, but it is severely affected, greatly affected developed countries like Italy, like Germany, like America, like England, etc., etc. And prominently, it is found that the incidence of deaths of Corona pandemic is significantly higher in the developed countries like America, Italy, France, Germany, etc., etc. Now, the question that arises is that even health sector is developed in these developed countries, but they failed in controlling pandemic. What may be responsible cause? And as per my opinion and view, the responsible cause is they have not taken that seriously, which was necessary and to be taken into account, looking towards the control and regulation of the Corona pandemic. And it is therefore the rate of deaths is higher. It is higher in Italy, it is higher in UK, it is higher in significantly greater in US. And that poses a question why they are not so much concentrated so far as tackling and controlling the incidence of Corona is concerned. While talking about Corona in the context of India, but at the same time, I must cite some of the statistical data that tries to explain what is the magnitude and the levels or incidence of Corona infection, Corona pandemic. As per the latest data is for the year, for the day 20th April 2020. It is found that across the globe, 30,25,737 people have been infected by the Corona pandemic. At the same time, deaths have been taken place. That is 2,09,002 so far as world is concerned. My concentration will be in this lecture is in the context of India as well as the state of Maharashtra. It is found that in India, the total number of Corona infection is 29,450 and the figure of death is 938. So whereas the situation of Maharashtra is concerned, in Maharashtra on 20th April 2020, total number of people infected by Corona that stood at 8,590 and the deaths is 369. While talking about infection, of corona in India and in Maharashtra as well. Some peculiarities, some features are found. Number one peculiarity is that in some of the states in India, this corona infection is found. Prominently, Kerala is there, Tamil Nadu is there, Maharashtra is there, Gujarat is there, Delhi is there. These are the prominent states in which, to the higher extent possible, greater extent possible, the incidence of pandemic corona is observed. When we try to analyze the features or characteristics of the pandemic corona infection across the country in India, it is found that it is concentrated in the developed countries prominently, and prominently in the urban areas. That is found. Same is the case of Delhi. It is there in Bangalore. It is there in Ahmedabad. It is there in Mumbai. These are the metropolitan cities in which, to the greater extent possible, the incidence of corona infection is found to the greater extent possible. So far as Maharashtra is concerned, in Maharashtra also the same situation there. In the metropolitan cities, it is exclusively concentrated, and Maharashtra is the highest. It is number one so far as the more number of people infected by the corona pandemic is concerned. The analysis of corona pandemic in Maharashtra, it reveals that it is concentrated prominently in a few cities: Mumbai, Pune, then Nashik, especially Malegaon, Aurangabad is there, Thane, then Palghar. These are the cities prominently, metropolitan cities prominently, in which this corona pandemic is observed. Now, one more feature that I want to explain is that to the extent considerable, corona has not been infected in the rural areas. To some extent it is there, but it is the result of infected transmission of the corona pandemics from the cities to the rural areas, but it is exclusively insignificant. Now, so far as the incidence of corona pandemic is to be taken into account, it is found that it is more in males than in the females, and the percentage is 76. So far as age profile of the corona pandemic incident is to be taken into account, in the context of India, it is found that in the age group less than 40, it is 47%. In the age group 40 to 60, it is 34%. In the age group above 60 years, it is 19%. But the analysis and the breakup of the deaths because of corona incidents and infection is to be taken into consideration. It is found that for males it is 73%, for females it is 27%, and as per the age profile, it is less than 40%, 7%. In the age group 40 to 60, 30%. In the age group above 60 years, it is 63%. This reveals that the deaths because of corona pandemic has been victimized to the what we call it as the senior citizens, that is the people in the age group above 16, that is significantly higher, it is significantly greater, that is 63%, which is necessary to be taken into account. One more peculiarity of the deaths of because of corona pandemic, when it is to be analyzed, it is found that the people which were coexisting with some diseases or pre-existing some diseases, its proportion is significantly greater. It is 86%. In the case of no such history of pre-existence, the proportion of death is 14%. When this is taken into account, why this corona infection spread in India? Prominently, two reasons are more significantly responsible. Number one is foreign return people, about 4 lakh came from foreign countries, from India and others as well, because of some reason. And initially, when the breakup of corona was found in China and other countries, some people, Indian as well as foreigners, they returned to India, and they were not examined, they were not inspected, and they were not made quarantine, and that very significantly contributed to transmission of corona pandemic in India, especially in cities and metropolitan cities that is there. And one more reason is that the religious function that took place in Delhi, that also considerably contributed so far as the incidence and infection of corona in India is concerned. Thus, why corona has been spreading, what is the profile, what is the incidence, how it is concentrated, and how the transmission taking place, and what are the causes responsible. These are some of the things those are necessary to be taken into account, and that I have tried to place before you so far as this lecture is considered.